Have you ever wondered how one simple habit can completely transform the way you speak English? And what if I told you that dedicating just 10 minutes a day to this habit could make you fluent faster than you ever imagined? Can you picture yourself waking up and thinking in English, describing your plans, your feelings, and even the small things around you, and noticing how your mind slowly starts switching naturally between languages? Can you imagine whispering phrases to yourself while walking, cooking, or scrolling through your phone and feeling your tongue moving with the rhythm of English effortlessly? Do you listen to songs, podcasts, or simple conversations in English and notice how your brain begins predicting the next words before they arrive? Can you see yourself picking 5 new words every day and using them immediately in your thoughts, sentences, or tiny conversations, and shadowing phrases exactly as you hear them, even if not perfect, because this habit builds fluency faster than memorizing rules? Have you tried talking to yourself like a friend, celebrating small wins, enjoying mistakes as proof that you're learning, and refusing to wait for the perfect moment, because every moment can become the right one? Combine this with reading aloud, describing your surroundings, or telling tiny stories in English, and notice your responses getting faster, your pronunciation smoother, and your words flowing naturally. If you follow this habit every day, even for a few minutes, you will feel the change. Your voice will sound clearer, your words will flow easier, your listening will sharpen, and slowly English will start feeling like a comfortable part of your life. Every day counts. Every small moment matters. And your English journey starts with one simple decision to practice just a little every day. You can do this, and your future confident English-speaking self will thank you for starting today. Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep listening, and repeating every day. Take pride in every mistake, every correction, every word you master, because they are growth that you are growing and building confidence. Believe that you can speak English fluently, and know that consistent effort is what transforms beginners into confident speakers. Your voice deserves to be heard, and your journey to English fluency begins today. So start now and keep moving forward, because the more you practice, the faster your confidence grows and the smoother your English becomes. Have you ever noticed how small habits compound over time, and how 10 minutes a day feels insignificant at first, but by the end of a week, you start noticing words coming easier, sentences forming faster, and your brain thinking in English without conscious effort? Imagine the sense of pride and accomplishment when you realize you understood an entire song, a conversation, or a video without subtitles or translation, and the feeling that your tongue no longer hesitates when forming sentences. Visualize yourself speaking with friends, family, or colleagues, and realizing that every small step you took made this possible. Do you ever think about how your mind adapts when you consistently practice, and how repetition rewires neural pathways, making English second nature? Think about the energy and excitement you will feel when your vocabulary expands with every word you use, and your sentences flow more naturally each day. Have you considered that even listening passively to English conversations while doing chores or commuting strengthens your brain in ways textbooks never could, and how combining this with speaking aloud, reading, and shadowing native speakers accelerates your fluency? Imagine your progress after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months of following this habit consistently and seeing measurable improvements every day. Your confidence grows, your fear fades, and speaking English becomes enjoyable rather than stressful. Now picture adding mini challenges every day, like describing your day in 5 sentences, thinking in English before sleeping, recording your voice and listening back, and noticing tiny improvements and celebrating them? Can you see how every effort, no matter how small, compounds into massive progress, and how the more you practice, the more automatic thinking in English becomes, and how mistakes stop feeling scary and start feeling like proof that you are learning? Every single action you take matters, every day counts, every sentence you speak, every word you repeat, every time you listen actively adds to your fluency and builds confidence slowly but surely until English becomes second nature and even your dreams start feeling like they happen in English, and your brain begins to predict phrases, sentences, intonation, and rhythm, and you feel pride every time you realize how far you have come, and your journey to fluency feels exciting rather than daunting because every day you practice, you are growing stronger, more confident, and unstoppable.